Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to create the standing seam roof on a house. So let's go back to the original. Okay, let's just add another line here and okay. Let's go to 3D view. And I hope this tutorial can help somebody's rendering look better because standing seam roof is not that hard to create. And it's commonly used by many people. It's quite popular nowadays, so I think it comes really handy. So the first thing we're gonna do is click this roof and copy it and paste it aligned to same place. Now we have two roofs here, so just click one of them and then pull it up, maybe 5 feet or something. You choose how far you want to pull up. So just click this floating roof on right top of the original roof, and then go to properties and change it to sloped glazing. The reason we did that is because it helps create vertical ribs using mullions. So we can go to edit type and duplicate this. I'm just gonna call it standing seam and then click OK. And then go to grid 1 and just click fixed distance. I always use 18 inches. You can pick whatever you want. And then go to mullions. I always choose a rectangular mullion, a 1-inch square. It makes things easier. Okay, after you did that, just click OK. And now you're gonna see right away it's gonna start creating these those ridges along the surface. And now you have it. So after that, just select the whole thing and then using the moving tool to bring it down to its level. Okay, now you have it. So just a quick trick here. Sometimes they're not aligned at the edges. Sometimes they will, sometimes they won't. So if they're not aligned at the edges, you can just manipulate it till it got fixed. So what you need to do is click the whole thing, and you see this panel configuration here. Just click it, and now you can manipulate it whatever you want. I'm just going to maybe, okay, not enough. Okay, now it's aligned perfectly, as you can see here. So this is today's tutorial. Thanks for watching.